The virtual assistant industry is booming in 2026. Business owners need help managing emails, scheduling appointments, researching topics, writing content, handling customer inquiries, and dozens of other tasks that consume their time every single day. Most of them cannot afford a full-time employee, but they will happily pay a part-time virtual assistant $300 to $1,000 per month to take those tasks off their plate. And here is the part that makes this opportunity perfect for beginners right now. AI tools handle most of the actual work. You manage the client relationship and quality control. Claude does the heavy lifting. Today I am showing you exactly how to start an AI-powered virtual assistant business from zero. No experience needed. No expensive tools. Just a clear system and free AI. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI income strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why AI makes virtual assistants the perfect beginner business. Traditional virtual assistants struggled with speed and volume. Writing a research report manually took hours. Drafting 20 emails took a morning. Managing a content calendar took an entire day. AI eliminates all of that. Claude drafts emails in seconds. Research reports get written in minutes. Content calendars get planned and written in a single session. A skilled AI-powered VA can handle 3 to 5 clients simultaneously where a traditional VA could only manage 1 or 2. That means significantly more monthly income from the same working hours. Low startup cost. High demand. Immediate income potential. AI doing most of the heavy lifting from day one. Step 1. Choose your service specialization. The most successful virtual assistants do not offer to do everything. They specialize in a specific set of services for a specific type of client. Specialization commands higher rates and makes client acquisition dramatically easier. The highest demand AI-powered VA specializations in 2026 are email management and inbox organization, social media content creation and scheduling, research and report writing, customer service and inquiry management, content calendar planning and writing, and newsletter management. Open Claude and ask it to help you choose the best specialization based on your background and interests. Tell Claude any skills you already have, industries you are familiar with, and the type of work you genuinely enjoy doing. Ask it to recommend 2 or 3 specializations that match your profile and have strong demand in the current market. Pick one specialization to lead with. You can add services over time. Starting with one clear offer makes every part of client acquisition easier and faster. Step 2. Set up your professional presence. Clients need to be able to find you and evaluate your credibility before they hire you. Your professional presence is what makes that first impression. LinkedIn is your most important platform for finding business clients. Set up your profile completely. Write a headline that immediately communicates your specialization and who you serve. Ask Claude to write your LinkedIn headline, your About section, and your Featured Services section. Give it your specialization and your ideal client type. Claude produces polished professional copy in under a minute. Create a simple one-page website or landing page on Card for free. Your page needs 4 things. A clear headline stating what you do and who you do it for. A brief description of your top 3 services. A portfolio section with 2 or 3 sample deliverables. And a contact form or email address. Ask Claude to produce your sample deliverables. If your specialization is social media content, ask Claude to create a sample week of posts for a fictional business. If it is email management, ask Claude to write 5 sample professional email responses. If it is research, ask Claude to produce a sample 2-page research brief. Design these samples cleanly in Canva and add them to your portfolio. Your entire professional setup takes 1 afternoon. All free. Step 3. Find and approach your first clients with your profile and portfolio ready. It is time to find clients. The fastest way to land your first paying client as a new VA is direct outreach on LinkedIn combined with referrals from your personal network. Go to LinkedIn and search for small business owners, founders, coaches, consultants, and entrepreneurs in industries you understand. Make a list of 30 specific prospects who fit your ideal client profile. Ask Claude to write a short personalized outreach message for each prospect. The message should be under 70 words, mention something specific about their business, identify one common pain point they likely face, and offer to help with a concrete example of what you could do for them. Send 20 messages per day consistently. Most will not respond, but 2 to 4 per week will show interest. That is all you need to start. Also tell everyone in your personal network what you are doing. Send a simple message to 10 friends, family members, or former colleagues explaining your new VA service and asking if they know any business owners who could use help. Personal referrals convert to clients faster than any other source. Step 4. Deliver client work using AI every time. When you land your first client, your delivery process builds your reputation and secures long-term recurring income. Start with a clear onboarding process. Ask Claude to create a simple questionnaire collecting the client's business overview, communication preferences, brand voice, biggest pain points, and tools they use. Use the answers to build a Notion workspace for each client. Track tasks, deadlines, and deliverables in one organized place. This level of professionalism builds immediate client trust. For every task assigned, use Claude to produce the first draft. Give Claude context about the client's business, audience, and tone. Review carefully. Edit to match the client's style. Deliver before the deadline every time. At the end of each week, send a brief progress update to every client. Ask Claude to write these messages. They take 2 minutes and make clients feel valued and confident. Step 5. Scale to multiple clients and recurring income. One client paying $300 per month is a start. 5 clients is $1,500. 10 clients is $3,000 per month. All from part-time hours powered by AI. After your first 30 days with a client, propose a monthly retainer. A retainer means the client pays a fixed monthly fee for a consistent set of deliverables. This creates predictable recurring income that grows month after month. Ask Claude to write a simple retainer proposal listing the services included, monthly deliverable volume, price, and payment terms. Most happy clients agree to retainers because it gives them certainty and consistency. Ask every satisfied client for a testimonial and a referral. One strong LinkedIn testimonial does more for your credibility than any cold outreach. One referral from a happy client brings a pre-sold prospect who already trusts you. Your action plan starting today. Choose your specialization using Claude. Set up your LinkedIn profile and card landing page with Claude written copy. Create 2 to 3 sample deliverables using Claude and design them in Canva. Make a list of 30 prospects on LinkedIn and send 20 outreach messages per day. Deliver client work using Claude for every task. Propose monthly retainers after the first 30 days. Ask for testimonials and referrals from every satisfied client. That is the complete AI virtual assistant business system. Start today and land your first client this week. Which VA specialization are you starting with? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment with specific advice for your chosen service. If this gave you a clear path to your first VA client, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.